Hey guys, Josh here from Electric Scooter Insider, and we have the brand new apollocity 2023 model. I've reviewed the 2022 model, but I have to say I've been riding this scooter all day and I absolutely love it. So the 2023 model brings with it a few upgrades. So if we start up at the cockpit, you're going to find the new paddles for both your regen brake and your accelerator. They're extremely smooth. They've also been tested up to, I think, 300,000 times, which is triple the amount than what standard components like that would have to go through on other scooters. Another new addition that this scooter brings to the table is the new folding hook here. So you can see that it has a little spring-loaded mechanism here that allows it to lock into the deck so that you can lift the scooter. The 2022 model didn't have that, and this tended to come unhooked from the deck, so the handlebars would swing out, which wasn't ideal, but that's been fixed. That's nice. The other upgrade that we can see here is the new headlight. So I think this is something like 20 lux. I'll need to check, but watch the full review and I'll give the full details on the light. But this obviously now is adjustable, so you can put it exactly where you want it to go. Then if we move down the stem, we're going to find a brand new folding mechanism here. Really sturdy, zero stem wobble whatsoever. As I said, I've been riding this all day and it's been so good. The amount of control you get from this scooter is unrivaled, especially within its price class. Then what else has this scooter got to offer? Well, the other upgrade is it's now got a 20 amp hour battery, and that's going to give you a maximum range of 43 miles. You've still got the dual 48 volt 500 watt motors, and they're going to give you a top speed of around 32 miles per hour. The final upgrade that this scooter brings is this kickstand. Now, is it an upgrade? Can it be counted as an upgrade? I'm not so sure. I had the scooter out for about 5 minutes and it fell over and actually ended up smashing the side turn signals on the handlebars that you can see here. Oh, and by the way, that is another upgrade. But aside from that, I mean, this scooter is extremely premium in the way it looks, in the way that it rides. And so let's put it in its fastest mode, as we always do, and see what it's like off the line. But before I do that, I'll also show you the suspension. So you can see there, it's got quite a lot of travel in here. This is perfectly primed for urban terrain, streets, roads and everything. And I actually think the rear suspension feels a little bit looser, a little bit more spongier than the 2022 model, which is good. And I can definitely feel that in the ride quality. But look, let's see what it has to offer in the speed department. We've got it in the fastest acceleration mode via the app as well. So here we go. Okay, a little bit of wheel spin. See, the control on this is it just feels so good to ride. So smooth, you can lean into corners on the tires, which are also self-healing. And that is me braking just using the regen brake. I've got it on a setting which is 7 out of 10, so you can have it even stronger than that. But look guys, there we go. That's the apollocity 2023. Brings a lot of upgrades to the table, but check out my full review coming on the channel very soon.